Hi and welcome. My name is Micheline and I love creating fashion content and lifestyle vlogs. If you are new here, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you won't miss anytime a new video goes live on the channel. Today's video is all about luxury makeup. I'm going to review the Valentino Beauty. I have two products here. The Rosso Valentino refillable lipstick and the Eye to Cheek dual use blush and eyeshadow. I have been using these products for quite some time. It was a PR package and I thought it's just time to do a review about it. We are going to talk about the package and the product itself. If this sounds like something you'll be interested in, stick around and let's get right into the video. First, we are going to talk about the package. This is how it came in this little bag. I love this bag. It's the color for me. I love color red. I think red just adds something luxe to anything. It's sexy. And I love how it's written here, Valentino. So lush. I'm going to start reviewing the lipstick first. It says Rosso Valentino. This is from the satin lipstick collection. I'm really big on details, so I do appreciate when they take time into details. I love the rouge red. Red is really rouge in French. I love the contrast between the rouge and gold. Super sleek, super lush, and super everything that we love. Beautiful. Right here you see the number of the lipstick. I hope you can see it. The name and the number, which only tells you what color it is. As you open, this is what you have. I love the way it presents itself. It really gives you the looks that it is. This is luxury makeup after all, so we do appreciate this. V is for Valentino. This whole thing is plastic. You have red here and you have the gold contrast. This side has the mirror finish to it, and right here you have the name, once again, Valentino. So beautiful. I love the fact that this is mirror, this side right here, because if you are carrying a small bag or a mini bag, you don't need to have an extra mirror for you to check your makeup whenever you need to do that. So this is really great. It's what I call 2-in-1. Compact, you have the lipstick inside and you have the mirror. How clever. The lipstick opens as so. Beautiful. I broke it, that's why you see the red over here. It's not a good look at all. But it's beautiful. And it closes with a click. Did you hear that? The good thing about it, it reassures you that it will be closed in your bag. If your bag is a bright color, you know for sure that it will not open, where it will stay in your bag. It's actually not easy to open. I need to make some effort in order for me to open it. That security gives me peace, because if there's one thing I don't want, is for my lipstick to open on its own in my bag and stay in my bag. I would hate that. And this is what you have as you go. How beautiful. It looks brighter on camera, but off camera it's actually a little bit dark. This is my first time ever trying Valentino Beauty. I'm not a makeup person. By now I know you have already heard me say it, but I feel the need to repeat myself so you will understand that I don't really have much to compare this product with. I have only used the Armani red lipstick and the MAC. So this is my third red lipstick that I've used so far. So once you open it, this is what it looks like. I just told you I broke it. And you can see the Valentino sign. You can see the signature right there. Because it's refillable, you can actually remove it. How cool is this? You have this on its own and you can still and always put another lipstick in it if you want to keep this just for the beauty of it. I think that's really nice. Let's say you buy different shades of this lipstick and you want to switch it. Everything is on here, all the details that you need, which makes it easy for you to switch it. You know exactly what color you are putting in here on that particular day. Let's say you have different rouge, different shade of rouge. All you need to do is wait right here and it'll be easy for you. Oh, I'm sorry, I was off camera, I was off focus. This is a nice detail that I appreciate. So as far as color, like I said earlier, it looks darker off camera and super bright on camera. And this is the satin line. It's very moisturizing, which leaves your lips soft and not dry. One thing about other lipstick, like I said, I'm not really big on makeup, but if I have to compare with MAC, Ruby Rouge, or the Armani lipstick, this one is super moisturizing. It's a good thing, right? Because your lips are not wrinkly and they don't look too dry. But again, it just depends, because I found it to be like a lip plumper. I already have pronounced lips, and when I use this, my lips look bigger. Let's see what it looks like. What do you guys think? I'm not sure if my lips are looking bigger or not. According to Valentino, their lipstick are so vibrant that you don't need a lot of applying in order for you to have that finished result. Your lips will be covered just with one round. I do have brown lips, which sometimes requires me to apply multiple times in order for me to achieve what I'm looking for. But I just did this in front of you on camera. It wasn't much. I think I went like once or twice, and this is what we have, which is a pro to me. This is a really good thing, and because of that, I won't need to use a lot, which will make my lipstick last longer. That's always a win-win for me. So yeah, this is what we have. The color looks good. My lips don't look dry because it's super moisturizing, and it has that satin finish. I think that's the main thing about this line. It comes in 55 shades total. So depending on your skin tone, you can find any color that you would love to use, because they go from the brightest red to dark brown, if I'm not mistaken. This is my first time ever using a refillable lipstick. I was like, what is that anyway? What does that even mean? I know what refillable means, but like, how would I use it? Pretty much you just switch it up. Once this is out, you can refill another lipstick. Let's say a drugstore lipstick, cut it and put it in here. I don't know why you would do that, but to each his own. The thing about it though, I don't think any other brand will fit in here. To me, that's a cons, because why would I buy it if I cannot use any other lipstick? If I just want to use this just for the looks of it, I should be able to put any other lipstick of my liking. And to me, yeah, that's a bummer, which it will just make you obligated to buy Valentino beauty product, Valentino lipstick. And if you are on a budget, that's not something you want to do. So that I don't like. But other than that, I love this lipstick. It's a beautiful range of red. It's long lasting, and for that, A1. I love it. Totally would recommend it. Now let's go to the Eye to Cheek dual use blush and eyeshadow. This is what it comes like. Red, just like what I showed you. I love it's this one right here for me, and the love and the red and gold contrast. Beautiful. Pretty much what this is a blush that you can use as a blush and as an eyeshadow. This is what it opens like. Beautiful, beautiful. How luxurious. We love it. You can see that gold finish, that mirror gold finish. By the way, I know you figured out that I didn't wear lipstick purposely so I can do it on camera so you guys can see for yourself. So this is how it opens. Oops. You can see we have a mirror here. The blush is pinkish. This is the brush. So cute, so cute. It's just the detail, the red and gold. Beautiful, beautiful. The opening has a little button that you press, and once you press it, it opens. It makes it really easy, because sometimes when you have nails, it might be hard to open. I love it. This is where you store the brush, and this stays there. It will not come out of the box. I mean, this little thing, really nice. It stays in your bag easily. It doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't mess your bag, not at all. Like, really good. It's all about maximizing space in my bag or in my room. So when I have things like this, I really appreciate it. When you don't have blush and eyeshadow, you just use this. Because I'm not used to using eyeshadows, I really didn't know what color to pick. I don't even know what it looks like on me. But I think as far as blush, this is pretty. I might look crazy because I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I love it because it's easy. I think it's a beautiful color for summer and spring. I'm not sure about fall or winter just because it's light. But again, I'm not a makeup person. I don't know what color goes with what season. I like it. On me personally, I prefer it as a blush rather than as eyeshadow. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's good, and the good thing about it, I don't need to use a lot in order for me to have the finished look. And I don't know what skin tone it goes with. They happen to send this to me. I actually chose this color. I don't know why. But in my mind, I think blush is always better when it's like pinkish. But again, different skin tone, different color. I like it. I didn't use a lot. You saw me. But I don't like the pink. It gives me like red vibes on my eyes, and I do not like it at all. But as far as blush, I'm in love. I think it's pretty. It's a really nice way to finish your makeup. It's light. We don't need anything too heavy on our faces, so for that I love it. And I love the fact that it looks beautiful, it looks rich. It's really good. On a day I'm going out to shoot content, I don't need to pack a lot. This right here is what I need. It's easy to switch up makeup for whatever look I'm shooting on that day. So for that, I'm in love with it. I love it. You guys let me know what you think. This doesn't feel like plastic though. I forgot to mention, so I don't know if it falls down, what will happen. I fear that it will break, so I would say be careful. Please treat it with care. But the lipstick is actually plastic. That's weird. This part is plastic, but here feels like glass. Does that make sense? And I'm sure maybe it's the same, but for some reason this feels really fragile. So I would say be careful with this. But other than that, I love it. I would really recommend this Valentino Beauty product. It's luxe, it's beautiful, and the price is not really bad. I love having this in my collection. I love luxury makeup. If anything, luxury makeup I think is really good because for some reason I feel like I can trust it better. Because if you have sensitive skin, it's easy for you to break out. You cannot afford to use any makeup. That's why it's very important to invest in good luxury makeup. That was it for today's video. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like, and share with a friend that you think will also like it. Once again, I appreciate you. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.